All right, let's talk CloudTrail. We all know the basics, right? But today, we're going to go way beyond that. We're going to unlock some seriously powerful features. I'm talking superpowers that can totally transform your security and governance.
So, you've got this mountain of logs, right? It's like a gold mine of data. Who did what, when, where, which is great. But let's be real. As your AWS world gets bigger and bigger, that gold mine starts to feel more like, well, just a giant pile of rocks. The real trick, the real challenge, is figuring out how to actually mine it. How do you find those little nuggets of gold in all that noise?
So that's what we're going to do. We're going to unlock 3 specific, really powerful features that will turn CloudTrail from just a simple passive logbook into an active defense system for your entire setup. Ready? Okay, let's get into it.
You know how it goes. You start with one account, then a few more. Pretty soon you've got teams all over the place, multiple regions, and suddenly you're facing a few classic headaches. Your logs are scattered everywhere, you're always playing catch-up on security issues after they happen, and when an auditor asks if you can trust your logs, well, that gets complicated.
Yeah, these are the big ones, and they're exactly why just having logs isn't enough. You need a real strategy. So let's tackle that first pain point head-on, the log sprawl.
Right, so problem number 1, total log chaos. I mean, how are you supposed to keep track of everything when you've got logs in 10 different accounts across 3 different regions, each with its own S3 bucket and its own set of permissions? It's a nightmare to manage, let alone query. Okay, so the fix is actually pretty elegant. You've got to move from this chaotic, scattered mess to a clean, controlled, centralized system. Think of it like this. Instead of every department having its own messy file room, you build one central secure library. You create a single S3 bucket that becomes the one single source of truth for every single thing that happens in your organization. And what's cool is how simple it is to actually do. It's basically a 3-step dance. First, you pick a main account and create your trail there, pointing it to your new central S3 bucket. Step 2, you tweak the S3 bucket policy just a little bit, giving your other AWS accounts permission to write to it. And finally, step 3, you go into those other accounts and just point their CloudTrail configurations to that central bucket. And that's it. Boom. All your logs, all in one place. So much cleaner. Okay, so we've solved log sprawl. That's huge. But that just helps us look back at what happened. It's still reactive, you know? The real game changer is catching bad things as they're happening, or even before they cause damage. So how do we do that?
The secret here is to make your logs work for you in real time. And you do that by hooking CloudTrail up with Amazon CloudWatch logs. This integration is what lets you turn that passive stream of log data into, well, a digital tripwire. It's an active defense system that's always watching.
And the magic piece that makes this all work is something called a metric filter. Don't let the name scare you. All it is, really, is a search pattern. It's a little rule you write that tells CloudWatch, hey, I want you to constantly scan my logs for this specific thing. And whenever it sees that thing, bang, it can fire off an alarm. And here's a perfect example of what one of these filter patterns looks like. It might look a little technical, but it's super simple. It's just saying, look for an event named console login, and at the same time, look for an error message that says failed authentication. That's it. So anytime someone tries to log into the console and fails, this filter is going to catch it every single time.
And you can use this for all kinds of critical stuff. Imagine getting an instant alert the second a security group is changed, potentially opening up a server to the internet. Or what about an alert when an IAM policy gets tweaked? That could be someone trying to give themselves more permissions than they should have. And with that login filter we just saw, you can easily set an alarm to go off if you see, say, more than 5 failed logins in a minute. That's a classic sign of a brute force attack, and now you know about it instantly.
Okay, this is great. We've got our logs all in one place, and we've got real-time alerts. We're feeling pretty good. But there's one more piece to this puzzle, a really, really important one, especially when you're talking about security audits or, worst-case scenario, a forensic investigation.
And that question is, how can you prove that your logs are legit? How do you know for a fact that they haven't been altered? I mean, think about it. A clever attacker isn't just going to break in. They're going to try to cover their tracks. They might try to delete the log entries or even change them to point the fingers somewhere else. So how do you guard against that?
Well, this is where CloudTrail gets really clever. It has this awesome feature called log file integrity validation. The best way to think about it is like this. You have your raw log files, which are like the pages of a contract. But then CloudTrail also gives you these special digest files. And these digest files are like the official, notarized, tamper-proof seal on that contract. And this whole thing is locked down with some serious cryptography. Here's how it works, in a nutshell. Every hour or so, CloudTrail takes all the log files it just sent you and creates a unique digital fingerprint for each one. That's called a hash. It puts all those fingerprints into that digest file. Then, and this is the key part, AWS digitally signs the entire digest file with a secret key. That signature makes it pretty much impossible for anyone to change even a single character in the original logs without you knowing about it. The seal would be broken.
Now, I know that sounds super complex, right? Digital signatures, hashes, but here's the best part. You don't have to be a cryptography genius to use it, not at all. AWS gives you a simple, ready-to-go command that does all the heavy lifting for you.
You literally just run this one command. When you do, it automatically goes out, grabs the necessary public keys from AWS, verifies that the signatures on those digest files are valid, and then checks that the fingerprints inside match the actual log files. It tells you, with cryptographic certainty, yep, these logs from this time period are exactly as we delivered them. Nothing's been touched.
So, you see what we've done here? When you put these three things together, centralizing your logs, setting up real-time alerts, and enabling integrity validation, you completely transform what CloudTrail is. It's no longer just a logbook sitting on a shelf. It becomes this active, smart, and completely trustworthy platform for security and governance.
So if you remember anything, remember this. 1. Centralize your logs so you can see everything. 2. Automate your monitoring to catch threats as they happen. And 3. Validate your log integrity so you have forensic evidence you can actually trust. You do these 3 things and you've fundamentally shifted from just passively collecting data to actively defending your environment.
Because at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. Your CloudTrail logs are telling a story about the health and security of your entire AWS world. The real question is, are you set up to actually listen to it? And more importantly, can you trust what you hear?